वो रजनीगंधा नहीं है ये.
You know what? I am a ketchup girl. I always have my pizzas with ketchup, but it's fine.
Difference of opinion, respect कर bro.
You want to cheers?
Yes. Oh, this is the pizza luck.
I love pizza, you know, always. It is my favorite.
I love the garlic bread.
I never need Pizza Hut ka garlic sticks. Like garlic
I
sticks.
never had Pizza Hut ka anything actually. That is because I don't like it.
I'm not sure about the pasta. I don't know कि Domino's और Pizza Hut का pasta कैसा होगा.
मुझे even I have never tried this.
What's your favorite part of this entire Italian thing? Mine is seasonings.
Well, mine is definitely the breadsticks, but I never had Pizza Hut ka breadsticks, so let's see how that goes.
Also, and you know the key of making a pizza more looking, like making the pizza look more delicious, is कि उसको बहुत सारा conjust कर दो, सारे एक साथ डाल दो. It's very tasty. I mean, it's looking very tasty.
And the colors are very vibrant, like it's very dark, rustic.
Yeah.
Over there, either way, it is very nice, but then colors are like little bit faded.
So this is Veg Supreme, and this has toppings of capsicum, onion, red paprika, tomato, and mushrooms. जिसमें उन्होंने mushrooms की बहुत कंजूसी की है, but ठीक है.
This is veg extravaganza, and we can see like explosion of toppings here. We have tomatoes, capsicum, jalapenos, mushroom, corn, and cheese से तो भरा ही है. So it's basically like pretty good looking, huh?
Cheese.
So definitely
But
looks wise.
हम
This
अपना
looks
final
plus one.
verdict, हम अपना final verdict taste करके बताएंगे.
We'll start with Domino's and let's see how
This
it
is this slice is without any seasoning. So
Yeah.
we'll go first taste without the seasoning. I definitely like the taste.
Oh.
It's very tangy and a classic pizza taste. You know, you need the jalapenos, you need the capsicum, you need the olives to give the taste. It's very nice.
You can taste the veggies. It's like that, and the cheese is definitely a
Yeah.
delight to the mouth.
Yeah. And the crust is also like very well cooked and it adds on to the taste. You know? It's actually good.
It's very crunchy though. That's the main part. Crunch.
Okay, so let's now try Pizza Hut ka pizza. The crust is so soft. But
Definitely.
why can I taste that it's a bit undercooked?
Yes, I can taste the veggies a bit undercooked.
Like, you know, when I started eating pizza, Domino's ka pizza, I couldn't stop. It's so tasty. But here I'm like, I'm done. I don't want to eat now. So,
Well, the thing is definitely for pizza, it definitely tastes better with the seasoning. But comparatively on the basis of same parameter, definitely I would go for Domino's ka pizza with the seasoning. Like it.
yeah.
I think Pizza Hut is saucier. I don't know.
Yeah, I was going to say that. Pizza Hut ka sauce.
It's
is-
kind of
yeah.
like you can taste the tomato and the cheese. If you bite into it, you actually taste the sauce. It is very saucy. Domino's ka, it is definitely you can taste it, but then because of the veggies, it gets covered up. But obviously, as she said, overall, so yay. But
I think the crust, I liked the Domino's crust better.
also it's like very
Yeah.
soft, like excessive soft.
Yeah.
So crust-wise, definitely vote goes to Domino's. How about topping?
Topping again Domino's because
Same.
yeah, I mean it's very well cooked and it's very well presented and it just the combination of the toppings adds on to the taste.
And it looks very pretty with all the colors and the veggies coming
Yeah.
together with the cheese. It like blended in and it's looking amazing.
Yeah, but then Pizza Hut's topping it's not really complementing. Like all the toppings are not really complementing each other.
And
So-
तो फिर overall क्या है?
Domino's.
Definitely Domino's. Even I'll vote for Domino's. Domino's ko +1.
Yeah. Okay. Round number 2.
Pasta!
So first let's unbox Pizza Hut ka pasta.
Yep. Well, the packaging is like probably appealing.
The packaging is moreover like very plain. Let's open Domino's ka packaging now. I am very appealed by its packaging.
So you have the seal here, so basically it's no use.
Till now, Domino's is winning. Let's see
How it goes
who
for
wins. So let's taste Pizza Hut ka
Pizza
pasta
Hut ka
first.
pasta first, and let's see how it goes.
Yes.
Saucy.
It's more saucy. It's very saucy. Though they could have ignored this
Cheese.
grilled mayo on top.
Mayo cheese stuff, which is going to be in that taste in the mouth.
Yeah.
If you have without the cheese and the mayo, it is good. Like
Yeah.
sauce is good.
Yeah, the sauce is very nice. The overall pasta is very saucy. So let's go on to the Domino's pasta.
Let's see how it goes. Oh, we see a lot of toppings here. There's no sauce. I mean, there is, but कितना minimal है.
Okay. There's a mixture of red sauce and mayo sauce together, but it's not like baked. It's very plain. So, like according to my taste buds, it did not really suit.
Mine, neither. Like, it looks okay, but I don't know. I think so. I will choose Pizza Hut ka pasta than Domino's ka pasta. That is because if you have without the cheese wala stuff, then definitely Pizza Hut ka pasta wins with a huge margin.
Yeah.
This is good, but the sauce का मुझे कोई taste आ नहीं रहा है. It is very minimal and the toppings are also not that great.
Oh, so finally Pizza Hut won a round.
Yeah, finally Pizza Hut gets a +1.
Okay, now that we have done the pasta round, let's go on to
The
the breadstick round.
round.
Yeah, the third round.
I'm very excited for the breadsticks.
You noticed one thing, Pizza Hut ka pizza was not sealed, but breadsticks are sealed.
Domino's ka everything is sealed with the temperature and everything written. So this has a very solid covering, but I find this very aesthetic.
Aesthetically pleasing.
Kind of. So let's break this.
Okay. Oh wow.
Look this.
Ooh, pretty.
And this is Hamara Domino's.
We should have ketchup with this.
Nope.
No,
Nope. Nope.
No. So I feel definitely quantity wise Pizza Hut rocks because you get a full circle.
Yeah.
And look, I mean, this is also nice. This is just pizza. So definitely Pizza Hut for the quantity. You can taste the garlic.
It's nice, but less juicy.
I wanted a bit more colorness to it.
I wanted it to be more juicier. Okay, so now let's come to everyone's favorite breadsticks.
Domino's breadsticks.
Domino's. Yes, chalo. I felt this is not chewy.
Yeah.
This is very juicy, very tasty, and very soft. Pizza Hut breadstick was like more of like, it was very hard to chew, and it was I wasn't enjoying the breadstick so much, but this one I definitely enjoyed.
See, you taste the butter जिसकी वजह से it is very like liquid and easy to swallow. So definitely I would go and seasoning and toppings also it is very nice.
Yeah.
Domino's breadsticks every time.
So the third round,
Definitely is Domino's hands
yeah.
on.
The
Like,
third round has been won by Domino's.
no doubt.
Hi guys, so we just finished reviewing food from Domino's and food from Pizza
Pizza
Hut. And Domino's won!
Definitely Domino's is 2, Pizza Hut is 1. Like,
Yeah. The breadsticks were better.
Yeah.
They were soft. They were more juicy.
crunchy, kind of.
And, yeah. And the pizza was also good of Domino's. It was well cooked. The crust was very tasty,
Yeah.
and it wasn't undercooked like Pizza Hut. And the seasoning was always a top one.
And also like there were
Yeah.
lot of toppings and it was all stuffed, so definitely
Yeah.
color complementing, presentation, and the taste was like epic for the
Yeah.
Domino's pizza.
And just for the pasta thing, I liked Pizza Hut. They could have avoided the cheese on top or the mayo on top because
I hate
it wasn't really complementing with the pasta. But overall, the pasta was good. But as you can see in the 3 rounds, 2 rounds, Domino's has won.
And
So-
1 round has been won by pizza, so definitely it makes Domino's the clear winner.
Yeah. So the everyday go-to pizza house is Domino's.
Hi guys!
So as you saw, we are done with our video and our clear winner is Domino's. So and ये हमारे critics का review है, आप भी try कीजिए and comment box में हमें बताइए कि आपको कौन सा ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है, Pizza Hut या Domino's. And यार please like और share करो वीडियो को and do subscribe. Thank you, keep watching, bye.
Bye.